Before you make the decision to buy Bolt Business, there are 7 important things you need to know. If you're looking for software to streamline your operations, boost productivity, and compete with the best in the industry, this video is for you. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether Bolt Business is the right choice for your needs. First off, let's talk about the ease of use. Compared to competitors like Monday.com and Asana, Bolt Business shines when it comes to user interface and setup. Many users appreciate the clean, intuitive design that doesn't require an advanced learning curve. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, Bolt Business makes getting started a breeze. This is crucial if you're looking to implement something quickly without spending hours training your team. Next thing, integration. Bolt Business offers seamless integration with a wide range of popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier. While some competitors struggle in this area, Bolt Business excels in connecting with third-party apps, which means you won't face roadblocks when bringing over your existing tools and systems. This integration capability is a game changer for any business that relies on multiple platforms. The third thing to keep in mind is scalability. If you're running a growing business or a large team, Bolt Business can scale effortlessly to meet your needs. Many small businesses start with something simple and expect their needs to grow, which is where Bolt Business outperforms platforms like Trello. Unlike Trello's more rigid system, Bolt Business adapts as your requirements evolve. Whether you're handling 5 or 500 projects, it has the flexibility to expand with you. Next thing, reporting and analytics. This feature is where Bolt Business stands out in a way that many of its competitors can't match. While tools like Basecamp and ClickUp offer basic reporting, Bolt Business provides more granular insights with powerful data visualization. If you're someone who values making data-driven decisions, the level of insight provided by Bolt Business is a major plus. The fifth thing worth mentioning is task automation. When it comes to saving time, Bolt Business offers an impressive range of automation features that competitors like Rike and Teamwork can't quite match. Automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows can reduce human error and free up time for more strategic activities. Whether it's setting up recurring tasks or automating notifications, Bolt Business offers all the tools you need. Next thing to consider is the cost. If you're working with a tight budget or looking to scale efficiently, Bolt Business offers great value for what you get. While it's not the cheapest software on the market, its pricing is competitive when compared to industry giants like Monday.com, especially given the range of features. Plus, they offer a free trial with no strings attached, so you can explore the full functionality before committing. The seventh and final thing to know is customer support. One area where some project management tools fall short is in providing timely and effective support. Bolt Business, however, has a reputation for responsive customer service with a variety of channels for getting help, whether it's through their live chat, email, or phone support. Many users report quick resolutions to their issues, something that can't always be said about others in the same space. So if you're still wondering whether Bolt Business is the right choice for you, it really comes down to these factors: ease of use, integration, scalability, powerful reporting, automation, cost effectiveness, and strong support. If those are the features you need in a tool, Bolt Business should definitely be on your radar. If you're ready to give it a try, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for Bolt Business, plus some exclusive benefits.